The next question, there are 528 girls and 442 boys in a school. Uniform for a girl costs 210 rupees and for a boy 160 rupees. What is the total cost for uniform? So in the question it is given that how many girls are there? 528 girls are there and boys 442. Then the cost for a girl's uniform is how much rupees? 210 rupees, and for that boy is how much? 160 rupees. So you have to find what will be the total cost for uniforms for both boys and girls. So let us see how to find this answer. So first of all you have to write the number of girls. So number of girls is how much? 528. So write here cost for one girl's uniform. It is given that 210 rupees. Total cost for girls uniform. See, for one girls it is 210 rupees. Then for 528 girls the amount will be how much? Yes, you have to multiply these two numbers, 528 into 210. So in the first step, multiply from ones place, that is 0. 0 into 8 0, 0 into 2 0, 0 into 5 0. In the next step, multiply from tens place. So it is here 1. 1 into 8 8. Write in the tens place. Okay. So 1 into 2 2. 1 into 5 5. In the next step, multiply from hundreds place. So in hundreds place you can see here 2. 2 into 8 16. 2 into, so 2 into 8 16. So write 6 here. 1 is remaining. 2 into 2 4. 4 plus 1 remaining, that is 5. Then 2 into 5 10. 2 into 5 10. So write here 10. On adding these numbers we will get 0 0. 0 plus 8 8. 6 plus 2, that is 8. 5 plus 5 10. 0. Then 0 and 1 is remaining, that is 1, and 1 1. So the answer is 1,10,880. So write this question in your notebook and answer. So the cost for girls uniform, it is 1,10,880. So in the next step you have to find the total cost for boys uniform. Okay. So here you can see the number of boys is 442 and the cost for one boy's uniform is 160 rupees. Then what will be the cost for the uniform of 442 boys? Yes, just multiply these two numbers, 442 into 160. So from in the first step, multiply from 0, which is in the ones place. 0 into 2, 0 into 2 0. So in the first step you have to multiply from 0, which is in the ones place. So multiplying with 0 with any number, you will get 0 as the answer. Okay. So 0 into 2 0, 0 into 4 0, 0 into 4 0. In the second step, multiply from tens place, that is 6. So 6 twos are how much? 6 twos are 12. So write 2 here, 1 is remaining. 6 fours are 24. 24 plus 1 remaining in our hand, that is 25. So write 5 here. Again 2 is remaining in our hand. 6 fours are 24. 24 plus 2 26, 27. So right, sorry, it is 6 fours are 24. 24 plus 2 25, 26. So write 26 here, and in the next step multiply from hundreds place, that is multiply with 1. So 1 into 2 2. Write in the hundreds place. See, this is hundreds place. So write 2 here. 1 into 4, 4. 1 into 4, 4. So we get 442. So add these numbers 0, 2, 5 plus 2, 7, 6 plus 4, 10, 1 is remaining, 4 plus 2, 6, and 1 remaining in our hand, that is 7. So we got the answer 70,720. So the total cost for boys uniform, it is 70,720, and for total cost for girls uniform, it is 1,10,880. So you have to add these two numbers. So for you have to add these two numbers, 1,10,880 plus 70,720, so that you will get 1,81,600. So this is the total cost for the uniform. How much? 1,81,600. So what is the total cost for uniform? 1,81,600. So you have to write the question and answers in your notebook.